Hello, dear students. I hope you all are well and fine. Today, I will teach you the chapter number 12 from your main course book, English. The name of the chapter is Modern Frameworks. The Modern Frameworks is a name of the shop situated between a drugs store and a radio repair shop. Drug shop means medical shop. Datta was its owner. He was silent, hardworking man. He gave very short answer to his customer. Datta does not like casual friend who try to disturb on his silent zone. He always sat very concentratedly on his keyboard with with piece of wood, glass sheets, nail box, glue bottle, paint tins and another materials. Datta's shop is very small shop. Many times whenever his material missed, he had to shake his dhoti in the search of lost object. This would shake his old shop. His shop was fully covered with picture. One day a customer stand in front of the shop. Outside the shop he showed him a picture, said I want this picture framed. Datta ignored him. The customer unwrapped the newspaper and showed the Datta the photograph. The customer wanted the best kind of frame. Datta had not noticed. And again the customer tell I want the best one. Then Datta answered him, show me the photo. It was just another elderly person's photograph. The customer started to describe about the greatness of the old man, and the man in the photograph was God in the customer's home. Datta asked, "What sort of frame would would do you like want?" Datta gave the customer option like plain one, wooden, golden plastic, or just namely painted. The customer sir said, "I want the best one," which show by Datta. The customer repeated, "I want the best." He was unable to select the frame. At last, Datta came to rescue and suggested one with a profusion of the golden leaves and winding creepers. Datta said that it was imported from Germany. The customer was seemed impressed and satisfied. Datta helped the customer with the amount also. The customer tried to bargain but later on agreed with the Datta. Datta had learned by a long experience that his customer never comes punctually. Either they came in advance and went away disappointed or they came monthly later. Some of his customers never returned up. Therefore he waited for them at least 10 days. The next morning Datta made his first job, keeping aside at all other. He wanted to finish the frame for the photograph. He took the picture out carefully and kept it on the wooden plank. As usually his pencil was missing. He was frustrated. Finally he stood up and shook his dhoti so violently that he upset tin containing paint box. Fortunately, the paint split on the photograph. Datta stood transfixed. He could not recover. Unfortunately, the paint split on the photograph. When, when at last the fully recovered his sense, he sat up, rescuing the picture. He rubbed the picture so hard with a cloth, and then he peeled off the strip of the filmy coating. from its surface. Before he realized what he had done, half the old man's face and nearly his entire turban were gone. At last, Datta found one photograph which could replace the old man. After a couple of hours, he had replaced the photo and looking the photo as same photograph in front of him. It had a golden frame asked by the customer. The day that followed were filled with the suspense. Was nervous about the situation which he was about to face. At the last customer came for his photo. Datta heartily began to race. With all his nerves down, he gave photograph to the customer. Datta was now worried about how he would answer his customer, who had a very devotional to the photograph. Datta scratched his brain for a long. The next day morning, customer arrived, and Datta gave the photo to the customer. He was silently standing. Datta held his breath and wanted the customer expression. Suddenly the customer shouted and asked in a loud voice, "What have you done?" Datta stood silently for a moment. He had rehearsed for this situation for a long time. Before he could speak, the customer said that he asked for an oval frame, whereas Datta had out a square golden frame. Though the Datta was prepared for all kind of answer question, this was unexpected. So the R.K. Lakshman, the writer, tried to bring about the humor through the absent-minded customer and cunning shopkeeper or shop owner. Thank you, dear students. I will be right back with new video lesson. Till then, goodbye.